Alden, it's your update. And congrats kay Alden. Wagi siya sa 73rd PAMAS Award bilang bida sa Takilya Actor. Ito yung video. Congrats.
Ang mga pelikulang tumatak sa isip at puso, pinilahan at sinuportahan ng taong bayan ay pinararangalan ng PAMAS Bida sa Takilya Award. Ito rin ay para sa mga aktor at aktres na may malalaking kontribusyon sa industriya. Simulan natin sa Bida sa Takilya Actor Award.
Yun, no? Yan. Congrats kay Alden.
Bida sa Takilya. Alden Richards is widely praised for his charming, grounded, and emotionally resonant portrayals. More than just a screen presence, his movies have set new milestones at the box office, earning him multiple merits. He is a critically acclaimed artist with prestigious titles and awards. From his humble beginnings to becoming one of the most celebrated multimedia stars in Asia, he continuously evolves on screen, on stage, and in real life. Alden's commitment is one of unwavering passion, adaptability, and meaningful growth. Once again, Alden Richards.
Yun, no? Congrats kay Alden. May wagi siya PAMAS. Bida sa Takilya Actor. Yun, no? Ay, spotted pa nga si Alden kasama yung mga classmate niya. And it's ang Pampanga. Ayan, no? And good luck bilang Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.